Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today we're going to try and fix this switch which has seized itself up. It's completely frozen. If you have a look now, it's stuck on the Fortnite loading screen and it's not letting us do anything. If we hold down the home button, it's not doing anything. Even if we were to press the power button up here, it's still not doing anything. So everything's locked up. The Joy-Cons are syncing themselves up, but yet they're not doing anything here when we take them off. So you might be worried, but there's nothing to be worried about. All we're going to do is reset the switch, and to reset it, all we have to do is hold down the power button for around about 10 seconds, and then it should force it to shut down, and when we turn it back on, it should work okay again. What's happened here is Fortnite was working in a different location, and now the switch has been brought away to a new location. It's not connected up to any Wi-Fi, and it's just basically confused itself. It's trying to load up, but it's got no Wi-Fi to load up. So we're going to hold down the power button now. So I'm pressing it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. And now you can see it's forced itself to turn it off. And now we're just going to turn it back on, and hopefully it should be all working again. There we go, and now it's working again. So don't get worried if that happens to you. It's a very easy fix. Just hold down the power button and you will see it will sort itself out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.